Now that we've had our recap on Unit 3, it is the time we solve some of the exercises in our science book. So, let's start. And now, let's open page 140 in our science book, where we will have our Unit 3 review and we will solve the following exercises together. So, for question number 1, we will see pictures of some cherries, a sun, and water. And our question is, what is something both plants and animals need? What do you think? Great job! It is the water. Both plants and animals need water to live and grow. Now, for question number 2, we can see some pictures of fruits in a bowl, some acorns, and a picture of a sun. And our question is, what do plants need that animals do not need? So, let's think about it. Very good. It is the picture of the sun. Only plants need the sun to live and grow. And finally, for question number 3, we can see pictures of a stuffed dog or a toy, some flowers in a pot, a cat, and an elephant. And our question is, which picture shows something that is different from the others? What do you think? Excellent! We will circle the picture of the stuffed dog or the toy. This picture is different from the others because this stuffed toy is a non-living thing, while the flowers, the cat, and the elephant are living things. We will continue our revision with our 4th question on page 141 in our science book. And in this question, we can see some pictures of a lizard, a fish, a pond scene, and a desert scene. And our question is to draw a line from the animal to the place where it can get what it needs. So, what do you think? Excellent! We are going to draw a line from the picture of the lizard to the desert scene. The lizard lives in a desert. And next, we are going to draw a line from the picture of the fish to the picture of the pond. The fish lives in a pond. And now, for question number 5, we can see a picture of a moose, an eagle, a plant called fern, and some whales in an ocean. And our question is, which plants and animals can get what they need in a forest? So, let's think about it. Great job! We will circle the picture of the moose, the eagle, and the fern. These animals and the plant live in a forest. What about the whales? Yes, very good. We didn't circle the picture of the whales because whales can't live in a forest. Whales live in the ocean only. Let's continue our revision of Unit 3 by opening page 142 and solving the following exercises together. And for question number 6, let's take a look at these 3 pictures. Now, our question is, which pictures show how a plant changed the environment? What do you think? Very good. We should circle the picture of the plants on the car. We should also circle the tree roots breaking through the cement in a sidewalk. Now, for question number 7, we will have pictures of 3 alligators. And our question is, which picture shows evidence that an alligator changes the environment? So, which picture are we going to circle? Well done! We are going to circle the first picture, which shows the alligator on its nest. The alligator changed the environment in this picture by building its nest using sticks and twigs. And finally, for question number 8, let's look at these 3 pictures and let's answer the following question. So our question is, which pictures show ways people can help the environment? Excellent! Let's circle the first picture, which shows a tree being planted by some people. Let's also circle the second picture, which shows some kids recycling. Well done! Have a great day, everyone, and always remember to keep our earth safe for the survival of plants, animals, and people. Bye-bye.